Rightio, we've left Tom Price and we've just hit this is the Rio Tinto rail line access road. So we're just going to take this one. This knocks how many k's off? Quite a few k's off our trip and that, so yeah. Dust galore, here we go. Finally we get to pull up alongside an iron ore train. Multi-million dollars worth of ore. So close to them, we keep getting roadworks which drop us back to 40. What do they call them? The Rio Tinto, the Pilbara rail. Yeah, let's get a sound of that. This is the road into Python Pool. So they must have a bit of rain up here because it's still nice and green and that. Whether that was, well, this is from the cyclone or what, who would know?
So we're heading to Mount Herbert Free Camp.
Mount Herbert. Woo! That'll rattle your falsies out, that one. Mount Herbert Free Camp, that's where we're heading. Here we are, Juzzy. Mount
Herbert.
Mount Herbert. Pilbara sunrise. And we're on our way from our campsite down to Python Pool. Someone brought their car down. as we make our way over the rough terrain towards Python Pool. The sun beating down 30 something degrees, scorching our skin. Oh, just as well we've got our mountaineering boots on. We go through here. I can see it. Oh wow. Have a go at this.
Thank you.
Matthew 18:20, you said when we come in your neck.
Oh, you changed it. I put it back. I like that one too, though. No, that's stuff over here.
Oh, that's good. That saves me taking you to Thailand.
I hope it's fish.
Oh well.
Woo! No, it's going for my leg.
Just
These those little ones you can see there. Yeah, they're like the Thailand fish where they knuckle on you. Here's Grant going swimming over to the rock to jump off it.
Make it a bit easier.
We did it! Alright, Grant's back on his floaty now. Is he gonna go again, or is that a one-off? Look at that.
Look out, it's a croc. It's a croc.